it was a pleasure to work with Curatr. I have the time to work this weekend. So just to give you everyone a little bit of my background. So my background used to be in high performance computing. I think 3 years ago, I started to work with Melissa, and somehow my research went into building tools, search tools, if you want to say, text mining tools for digital humanities. So first of all, the interface is super nice. It's very intuitive, I have to say. I was very surprised how fast you do your searches. So I was thinking, do you have an Elasticsearch behind? What kind of but again, because I am a computer scientist, so I'm very interested of the things that you use for doing the fast searches. I was very happy to see that when you look for, I don't know, I think I was doing epidemic here, and I went to one of the results. I already try another thing that has semantic similarity. That is very nice. That is fantastic. I like it very much. Okay, then I started to play a little bit with again, I took a couple of lexicons that we had. I removed in the cases where we have key sentence. So I just looking for epidemic, flu, influenza, and pandemic. I really like this part that they suggest you like to add more things in your lexicon. That is something I didn't thought about it. That is a very nice functionality, because sometimes people, they don't know, they want to search for something, but they don't know how to build a nice lexicon, and that will help them. So I think it's a very nice idea. And the fact that you can see an n-grams, that is nice. Now you can think, for example, I was looking for flu, and of course the n-grams that come from flu maybe is not the best, but maybe because they didn't call flu back in the day, that is why. I like to see that influenza and epidemic, they are related. I was surprised the pandemic, no, but probably pandemic wasn't used that way. So again, it used you to see that pandemic is not maybe a nice word for this lexicon. So yes, I mean, from my point of view, that is very useful.